As always, my name's Jasper, and what we're going to be covering today is how to integrate ChatGPT API with your Bubble application. Now, I have actually created a plugin for this, so that is for free, anyone can get it. There'll be a link in the description, and it allows you to just have all the APIs to talk with OpenAI products like ChatGPT and GPT-3 from within this API. So you can get that in the description. And I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I haven't actually done one since December last year, I believe it was. I was on holiday for quite a while, to about mid-January. Once I got back, I was working and then also working on a SaaS product, which I've actually launched, but we can talk more about that later. And I've also just expanded sort of what I'm doing with my sort of development. So I'm not going to be focusing just on Webflow. I will be focusing more on no code as a whole. So you will see me do a bit more videos around things like bubble.io, which is used primarily for web app development. So let's jump in. So first off, you want to get your plugin. So as I mentioned, I have one that's free. So we can go OpenAI, scroll down and you'll find mine here. Go install, done, and it'll automatically pop up here. Next, let's just remove that so I can show you what to do. So you will need your API code from OpenAI. So make sure that you have bearer there at the front of it because you need to have that. Let's go like that, let's go like that. There we go, so that's all done. Now next we've got these elements here. So we don't need to worry about picture, it's just there for demonstration purposes. So all we've got here is the text box just saying talk to ChatGPT, and then we've got the field here as well, which is input type prompt question, and then the button to actually ask GPT. And then we've got a simple text subcopy here which just says text. So what we want to do is we're going to start a workflow for the button. So we're going to go to plugins, we're going to go ChatGPT create completion. It's going to automatically bring up these settings so you can change the model that you're using in case they update it later, the temperature, anything you want to change you can. But what we want to change here is the content, so that's what you're actually going to be asking ChatGPT. So we're going to get that from the input prompt field that we saw earlier, and we're going to grab its value. That's all we need to do there. Then next we need to make some changes, so we're going to set state. We're going to do that for the text field there, the subcopy. We're going to give it a custom state, and its value is going to be the result of step 1, because that's what talk to ChatGPT, and we want its response. We're going to go to body, choices, and then we're going to go first item and message content. And that's all you need. Now we're going to go back to the design. We're going to click on the text here. We're going to get rid of that. And we're going to say that it is the text subcopy reply. That's it. Okay. And that should be everything. So let's give it a go. Let's go preview. And we're going to say, what is GPT? Question mark, ask. It's going a bit slow, it's just on demo. And there you go. So you got GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. And it's just that easy. So really quickly you can actually sort of integrate your web applications with OpenAI just like that. So it can take a few minutes and you can actually do some really great stuff. So as I said, all free. I'll also make this clonable as well, so I'll leave a link in there. So if you want to start looking at some more stuff I've been doing as well, so I'm going to be releasing a lot more videos that cover more than just Webflow, so don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, thanks for watching the video and look forward to seeing you in the next one.